What if I told you that every time you step onto a plane after 60, there's a chance your legal rights are quietly being ignored and you don't even realize it? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might never look at flying the same way again, and more importantly, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself the next time you travel. Now imagine this: you've planned your dream trip, maybe to visit your grandkids, maybe a long overdue vacation. You get to the airport early, everything feels smooth, until suddenly things start going wrong. A delayed flight, a denied seat request, maybe you're treated differently, rushed, ignored, and you just assume, well, that's how airlines are. But here's the shocking truth: it's not. In fact, there are federally protected rights specifically designed to protect passengers over 60, and airlines, they don't exactly advertise them. Let's start with something most people never question: your right to assistance. If you're over 60 and need help boarding, walking long distances, or even just extra time, airlines are legally required to provide assistance under disability and accessibility laws. But here's where it gets tricky. Many seniors don't ask because they don't want to feel like a burden, and airlines, they won't always offer unless you request it. That means people who should be getting help are walking miles through terminals, struggling with bags, and risking injury, all because no one told them they had a right to support. And that's just the beginning. Let me ask you this: have you ever been separated from your seat, even after booking early? It happens more than you think. But what many seniors don't realize is that if you've selected and paid for a seat, especially one that accommodates your needs, airlines can't just move you around without a valid reason. And yet, it happens quietly every single day. Now here's where it gets even more frustrating: delays and compensation. Most people assume delays are just part of flying, right? Wrong. If your flight is significantly delayed or canceled, especially due to reasons within the airline's control, you may be entitled to compensation, meals, or even hotel stays. But airlines won't come running to hand you that information. You have to know your rights and ask for it. Otherwise, you walk away with nothing. And here's something that might really shock you: overbooking. Yes, airlines legally overbook flights, but if you're denied boarding against your will, you could be owed hundreds, sometimes even over $1,000 depending on the delay. Yet most seniors simply accept the situation, take the next flight, and never claim what they're legally owed. Why? Because no one explains it clearly. Now let's talk about something more subtle but just as important: respect and non-discrimination. Age discrimination is real, even if it's not obvious. Being rushed, ignored, or treated as less important is not just bad service, it can cross into legal territory. Airlines are required to treat passengers fairly, regardless of age. And if you ever feel like you're being dismissed or treated differently because you're older, you have every right to speak up. But here's the thing: most people don't. And that silence, it's exactly what allows these patterns to continue. Now, I want you to think about this next scenario. You're on a long-haul flight, maybe 8, 10, even 14 hours. You need water, maybe a blanket, maybe help getting up. Did you know that basic in-flight needs like hydration and reasonable comfort requests are part of standard service expectations? Yet many seniors hesitate to press that call button, worried they'll be seen as annoying. Let me be clear: you paid for that seat. You have every right to basic care and attention. And speaking of long flights, let's talk about medical needs. Whether it's medication, mobility support, or oxygen assistance, airlines are required to accommodate reasonable medical needs if notified in advance. But here's where many people go wrong: they assume the airline will just handle it. No, you need to inform them, confirm it, and sometimes even follow up, because if something goes wrong mid-flight, it's already too late to fix. Now here's another hidden truth: lost or delayed baggage. If your luggage goes missing, airlines are responsible for compensating you for essentials and eventually reimbursing you if it's lost. But guess what? They won't always tell you how much you're entitled to, and many seniors end up accepting far less than they should. That's money out of your pocket simply because the system isn't transparent. And then there's something almost no one talks about: the right to information. Airlines are required to clearly communicate delays, cancellations, and policy changes. But how often have you been left standing at the gate, confused, with no real updates? Exactly. Lack of communication isn't just frustrating, it can actually violate your passenger rights. And here's where I want you to really lean in, because this might be the most important part of this entire video. Knowing your rights is powerful, but using them, that's where everything changes. The next time you fly, don't just go along with whatever happens. Ask questions, speak up, request what you're entitled to, because the difference between a stressful travel experience and a smooth one often comes down to one thing: awareness. And if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of travelers out there. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you ever experienced something like this while flying? Were you ever denied something you later realized you had a right to? Your story might help someone else avoid the same situation. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that share button, because there are millions of seniors out there who deserve to travel with confidence, dignity, and full awareness of their rights. And trust me, once you know these, airlines start treating you very differently. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.